Begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let the external world fade as you turn your focus inward, grounding yourself in the essence of platform engineering. Take a deep, nourishing breath, and as you exhale, release any weight or tension you're carrying from your day-to-day tasks. Imagine standing at the threshold of a vast, digital landscape. This realm is a manifestation of the platforms and infrastructures you design, create, and maintain. It's vast, interconnected, and harmoniously balanced. In front of you, towers of code rise from the ground. These represent the infrastructure as code practices you employ. They stand tall, their foundations deep and solid, a testament to their resilience and stability. As you walk forward, clouds hover above. These aren't ordinary clouds, they shimmer with connectivity, representing the cloud services from providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Feel their expansive reach, bridging gaps and providing limitless potential. Further ahead, you notice clusters of small, interlinked units, microservices. Like a thriving ecosystem, each unit has its purpose, functioning seamlessly with the others. Containers ensure they're encapsulated, protected, and efficiently delivered. A breeze flows across this landscape. This is your CI/CD pipeline, streamlining, automating, and integrating every piece of this intricate puzzle. With every gust, you feel a sense of accomplishment as deployments are made without hiccups. Beneath your feet, the ground pulses, alive with data. Here lies the observability and monitoring tools you've integrated. Each pulse is a metric, a log, a trace, ensuring the health and performance of your platforms. Streams meander through the land, their waters clear and flowing. These are your service meshes, facilitating communication, balancing loads, and ensuring resilience in your microservices environment. As you pause, you notice tools of various shapes and sizes, each symbolizing the developer tools and environments you provide. They shine with promise, ready to aid, simplify, and elevate the work of developers. Surrounding this landscape is a protective aura. A gentle, impenetrable force. This is the security you've embedded into every layer. Feel its strength, safeguarding your platforms and the data they hold. Drawing a deep breath, inhale the harmony of this world you've envisioned, created, and nurtured. Let any challenges or doubts be carried away on the exhale, leaving behind clarity and pride in your contributions. Now, slowly, let the details of this digital landscape fade, but hold on to the serenity and confidence it has instilled. As you become aware of your surroundings once more, remember this landscape's equilibrium, and let it be a reflection of your own inner balance as a platform engineer. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this renewed perspective into every line of code and every platform decision. May platform engineering be with you always.